Korea's household debt in the third quarter grew at its fastest pace ever. The central bank says the record growth came largely from increased spending. Still, many are concerned about the debt problem becoming a sticking point for the country's recovery momentum. Hwang Ji has the details.
Signs advertising major sales line the streets of Myeong, one of Seoul's busiest shopping districts. The sale events are part of a campaign kicked off recently by local retailers that's similar to the Black Friday event launched by the Korean government last month.
I didn't know shops were having sales, but they were. So I bought more than I was going to.
These measures to jumpstart spending are good for the economy, but they also come with a price for the consumer: high credit card bills. The Bank of Korea says third quarter household debt, which includes sales on credit, grew at its fastest pace since 2002 when the data was first compiled. The amount of debt stood at over $1 trillion as of the end of September, up roughly $30 billion from the end of previous quarter.
The growth of household loans slowed down slightly in the July to September period from the quarter before, while sales on credit shot up during the same period.
Still, experts say it's too early to feel at ease just yet, as sales on credit take up just a small portion of total household debt. Household loans, including mortgage loans, rose around $26 billion in the third quarter from the previous one. Experts say the debt problem is likely to become a potential risk for the economy.
Korea's household debt is on the rise due to the balmy real estate market since the second half of last year. The snowballing debt level is not a threat to the economy at the moment, but it could become one in the next 2 to 3 years when the property market loses steam.
In order to prevent the debt problem from catching up to the economy in the near future, Im adds that it's critical for the authorities to work on restructuring the debt to make it easier to repay. Hwang Ji, Arirang News.